So when you get a cooker hood that comes in non-standard UK rectangular ducting, they may be a bit more oblong. Different brands come up with their own spigots. So one easy way obviously is to use a bit of a flexi. You could just connect to your existing spigot and then, you know, bridge it. I mean, you obviously want to keep it as tight and stretched as possible, but basically the flex would give you a bit more flexibility, so you could connect to your existing spigot and then connect to the rest of the standard UK size ducting. Most important obviously is to keeping up with the same airflow performance rather than reducing it to any smaller ducting. So if it's 220 by 90, you want to keep that to 220 by 90. And in other cases, sometimes it works just using a standard connector. You could nicely mount it on your machine. You may find that there is like a little gaps because of the shape of the manufacturer's spigot, so these could be just sealed with some silicone and taped up, but in some cases the connector is very good place to start. If you can attach that, then from there obviously all range of system 220 by 90 is available. Now in other cases it's better to just use a ducting pipe, and sometimes it just nicely push fits inside the oblong spigot, and then again from the pipe, then you know the rest of the 220 by 90 range would be available to use. So 3 options: you want to buy a connector, a piece of pipe. If none of them nicely goes onto your spigot, then your option is to use a bit of a flexi, just to bridge from, you know, the manufacturers to UK standard size. Okay, I hope that answers your question.